This is your captain speaking. We are heading to South Africa, so get in your seats. Get in your seats. So yeah, we're gonna be in here for a while. You're so bad at this, dude. Shut up. Sonic, why are we going to South Africa? I don't know. To meet up with someone. That doesn't look like I want to meet up with someone. Why is there like a red thing? Oh no, don't mind about that. This is gonna be boring. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, mouth? Yeah, he don't like you, bro. Shut up, rabbit. What are you doing? Yeah, he's drunk. He's an alcoholic? Yeah. Why are they so weird up there? I don't know. Okay, I want to take attendance. Autopilot. Okay. So we got So Among Us. Among Us. Okay, yes. Tails. Here. Here. Okay, good. Sonic. Here. Okay. Jerry. Tails, yes. Tom. Tails, yes too. Who are you guys? Don't laugh at that. That's really racist. Your name's racist? No, just shut up. He thinks we're gonna get copyrighted if we use our names. Okay, I'm just gonna call you Blue Dude and Green Dude. Okay. Donald Duck. Okay. Puff Charmander. Here, dude. Yeah, okay. Garfield. Here in, is there a bathroom? Yeah, I'll show you when I'm done taking attendance. King. I'm here. Okay. Dark Cat. That's not my name. Well, I don't care. Okay. Well, I'm here. Meowscles. Hello. Okay. Freddy. What do you mean, what? Okay, I'm just gonna assume all of you are the Fazbears. Fruity Fazbear. Yes. Daffy Duck. I am here. Jack, don't worry about him. He's really dumb. Shut up, rabbit. Okay. Oh yeah, sir. Garfield. Yeah. The bathroom's all the way back there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to piloting. And what is that? I don't know. It's just there. What the? Alright, guys, I'm gonna go see what we got. Hey, who the cat on the plane? What idiot on the plane? Okay. Ow! Fine, I'll go for here. Okay. I show speed. Let me out. The door's locked. No. This plane is so rough. Alright. We woke up like at 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can do anything. Hey, can I work here or something? Why is your voice so dumb? It's in the morning, okay? Okay, there's my voice. It's back. So I want to get a job here. I don't know. Well, I just want to do something because it's boring right now. Do you want to do something? Yeah, I changed my mind. This is really boring. Do you guys wonder what happened to Garfield? He never came back. It's been a little bit. Maybe he's probably been down there for like 8 years. Do you guys actually think something bad happened to him? Body, shut up. Nothing happened to him. We're just on our way back from, I don't know. Okay. Rabbit, I'm gonna kill you in a little bit. What did I do, Doc? I don't know. Hey, you guys be quiet. I'm trying to sleep. I'm leaving. I'm going back here. You guys are so mean. I don't like any of you. Let's go sit here. We're right here, buddy. Shut up. Yeah. Plane's so shaky. Is that thing getting close? Is it me or is that thing getting closer? I don't know. Ah, it is closer. What are you? Juice. And, sir, I would want you to get off the plane. Juice. He died. And why is the hatch open? Don't mind about that. I'm gonna go jump out. Don't commit suicide. Okay. Meanwhile, help me! Oh no, please! I'm sore. What do you mean sore? I shall be the big pig. Open door. I gotta go. Get out of my way. Who wants to switch seat? Okay, I'm done with that. Yeah, this is a little bit more calm, I guess. Get back here, please. I don't want to get sucked up. This is not even realistic to real life, but okay. Among Us. 2 hours later. Okay, guys, we are one step away from our destination. Why? Yeah. What the frick? Okay, I'm so asleep now. How much left of the plane? According to my calculations, it's gonna take. We have 7 more hours left. It's been 2 hours. Sonic, why are we flying on this one? Why can't we? We could have picked any other one, and we picked this. Bro, it's the best we got. It's the best we got. Doc, why are you so mad at me all the time? Rabbit, I will commit suicide. Do you see that door over there? I will jump out of it right now if you just stop. Yeah, I'll just sit back here with the cool kids, huh? Yeah. Is this where the cool kids sit? Huh? Hey, bud! Finally, you unlocked that freaking door. I've been waiting for 8 hours to poo. Oh, you call me poo? I didn't know. No, I didn't mean that you're poo. You wasteful crap. Nano messy. Stop making motion. This plane is so bad. I'm gonna leave it. Excuse me. What do you want, lady? Oh, you kind of bad. Shut up, baby. Sir, what do you want? Or ma'am? Don't ever see my gender again. But this is the terrible plane. Just saying. I'm sorry about that, man. Hold on, let's. Oh. And hey, you shut the door. Sorry about that. Okay. Wait. Oh, that's kind of. Hold on, pause. That's actually kind of cool. I didn't know you can open and close the door. Okay, finally it's shut. But I'm sorry you didn't like your experience. That's fine, I guess. Just please stop driving terrible. What the? No, 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 help me! This is so much better, right, my gang? I do not like it here anymore. You're that famous YouTube streamer, right? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I'm gonna go. Is there supposed to be like a guy with a weird nose back there? Oh yeah, he's been in the bathroom for a while. Is he back? I mean, he is. He's evil. He's being really weird. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Tell him to stop it, okay? That's good. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hold on, your life. Climb back up. Climb back up. Hey, just let you know the door's open again. Oh, it is? Okay. Why did you come back up here? Because, there's a guy back there. That's weird. I might go back there. Help me! Please help me! Please! Sonic! Huh? Help me! You're fine, bud. No. Why are we having turbulence? I don't know. Why are we having turbulence? Hold on, it says that something has got shocked. I don't know. It's fine. Who are you? This is my plane business. I don't know why there's a man on here. Ah! Get the frick away! Or I'll hit you in my briefcase. You see this right here? I have special stuff in here, and if you kill me, that's your fault. Speaking of killed, that guy's getting killed over there. My finger hurts. Oh, I'm back. Yeah, no, what's happening? Huh? Who are you? What is that thing? Hagno. Let me go in there with you. Oh crap, that thing is coming out. Who is it? That is the most weird man I've ever seen. Oh, he's here again. Get this man off my plane. Please, sir, get off. Introduce myself. Sir, get the frick off my airplane. Shut up. Like, actually stop. It's annoying. You're cringe. You're the most cringe person I've ever seen. Messi is better than Ronaldo. Why'd you smack me, you freaking demon? What the? No!